You like them, the fresh cut flowers. This is just like your juice. Once you cut them, then the time starts trickling down that they're going to stay fresh and strong. So drink that juice right away. Think of juicing like giving your digestive system a vacation. It works hard all day, breaking down fiber and fats and foods and chemicals. Juice gives it a break, delivering nutrients straight into your bloodstream like liquid sunlight. But if the ingredients, the timing, or the mindset are off, you're going to feel more chaotic than cleansed. Greetings, high vibrations. It's LaLa, your high vibe coach. Today, we're talking about juicing because I can and because I love the juice and I want to help you. We have got to have this talk. A lot of people are juicing the wrong way. I said it. They buy the fancy juicer, they drink a few fruits, and then they wonder why they still feel bloated, tired, and hangry. Juicing can transform your life, but only if you do it with intention. So today I'm going to show you the three most common juicing mistakes and how to fix them so you can juice like you mean it. Now, I've been plant-based for over 20 years, and juicing is how I've stayed energized, clear skinned it, and glowing no matter what life throws my way. I've helped women detox their bodies and rebuild their metabolism. Ooh, and calm those cravings using juice, not punishment. Juicing is chemistry meets consciousness. And once you learn the science and the soul behind it, it becomes your glow routine, not just a quick fix. Muy importante the subject here. I see a lot of newbies getting these fancy juicers. So you have the equipment, check. But what about the ingredients? Too much azúcar. Sugar, sugar. Drink some Kool-Aid if you want all that sugar. Piling up your juicer with watermelons and cantaloupes and peaches and grapes. Nutty mas, nothing else. They forget the greens, they forget the roots. No shoots, no herbs, just fruits. And now you want to know why you still feel hangry an hour later. Because you spiked your blood sugar and it's stuck there. It wants some more sugar now. Feed me sugar. That's not a cleanse, that's a crash waiting to happen. Too much fruit spikes your blood sugar, it floods your liver, and it leaves you hungrier probably about an hour later. The fix, follow the 80-20 rule, 80% vegetables and 20% fruit. Cucumbers, celery, kale, spinach. Let that be your base. And then add your apple and your pineapples for taste. The greener the juice, the cleaner the energy. The sweeter the juice, the shorter the glow. It tastes good though, huh? Start off in la mañana with your lemon water. Today I added oranges. There's so many beautiful combinations that you can try. So balance your hydration with your juicing to replace electrolytes, or you can just add a pinch of sea salt if you like. Tasty. Just this one tweak, it will balance your nervous system. It's going to improve your focus and it's going to make your cleanse a lot smoother. Am I drinking juice for stimulation or for restoration? Hmm. Your body is going to know the difference. If you are a batch juicer like me and you like to make a lot of juice right on the spot at once and not have to worry for days upon days, you better freeze some of that juice. It's still better than the store-bought crap. Fill it to the brim when you put it in the refrigerator. Less oxidation, just like when you slice open a potato or an apple. As soon as that air hit, it starts to brown. Think of your juice like a bouquet of flowers. Once they're freshly cut, that is the best, and they're the most beautiful and strong, right? So don't wait. Drink that juice right away. I love the flowers and I love the juice. Every time you juice intentionally, you're saying, I'm worth the effort of nourishment. You're not just blending produce, you're blending purpose. You're standing in your kitchen, sunlight hitting your glass, and it is liquid sunshine. That's not just a drink, that is devotion. I have the juice like you mean it formula. You really want this to be beneficial to you, not just a tasty treat. Add cucumber and celery for hydration, kale, spinach, cilantro for the minerals, and then boost it up with some apple, lemon, or ginger for taste and detox. Drink slowly, like you're absorbing sunshine, not chugging coffee. I juice with purpose. I glow with consistency. High vibrations. Juicing is a transfer of energy from plant to person, from life to life. So juice like you mean it. Do it for your glow, for your peace, for your power. If you're ready for the recipes, the grocery list, and the daily guidance to make it simple, I want you to check out my stand store. It's packed with my favorite juices. Ooh, pulp recipes too, and glow routines to keep your energy alive and thriving. Because real glow is not bottled, it is blended with love and consistency. I surely hope I have you all juiced up and ready to batch some juice. Remember, it's about the timing, it's about the mindset, and it's also about the ingredients. Juice like you mean it. And take me through there.